our warriors, our veterans, retiring our colors.
Welcome to my channel. Today I'm visiting the annual Kettle Point Powwow festival, and I have paid $10 for the entrance fee. They have stamped me this thing. So here we have different vendors, very nice hats. As you can hear, he is like wearing some jingle bells while. So you can see over here. She's also wearing a jingle bell dress. Some more vendors. Lots of food over here.
Glasses here.
Some more fur stuff. So this is the area where they are going to have the grand entry. So at some point I will come over here to see. Right now it's empty. So we have some time, so I thought, okay, let's go to the forest and see. I love the trees over here, very big trees and lots of shadow. This is their campground over here. Lots of RVs and people are staying over here.
Get those feathers secured.
People are getting ready.
Make sure those leggings are on.
Getting ready. This is our dress here. You can see jingle bell dress again. So over here we have different pavilions, and then we have a drum section over here, which I'm going to show you in few minutes. Over here, so this is the sound system. Some are getting ready. So this is our drum section over here. More guys sitting around. They will play drum. This is the MC over here.
This is 6:42. So we don't have a whole lot of time to get ready. About 20 minutes more.
The background.
All the different dresses that have come here. And we'll introduce them right after grand entry. Then we have Golden Age coming in. We're coming in 2 by 2 here. Right now we have the men's Golden Age, followed by women's Golden Age. Following the women's system, we have women's jingle. As you come in dancers, we ask you dance your style, please dance your style. everyone is in. The dance arena here. These are our warriors, our veterans, carrying our colors. In the meantime, keep dancing. Come on out, everyone. Come on out and dance. One more song?